As a contractor, my job is very hard on my hands.
If my hands are dried and cracked, I can't do my job efficiently.
Washing my hands, sometimes hundreds of times a day, made the cracks worse.
It was affecting me every single day until my dad showed me O'Keefe's.
O'Keefe's Working Hands, guaranteed relief for dry, cracked hands.
I use it every day, and I love it.
I figured if it works for him, it would work for me.
I saw it working for my husband, and I knew I had to try it.
Like millions of others, find guaranteed relief with O'Keefe's.
Have you tried O'Keefe's?
Welcome to SculptWorks Products. We are happy to introduce you to the Whittling Wood Carving Tool Set. This beginner set will take you from zero to hero in no time, as it is focused primarily for novices and is very easy to use. Remember, for best performance, try to use on soft wood and keep your chisels sharpened at all times. A lot of people think wood carving is difficult, but it's not if you have the right tools for the job. SculptWorks offers this fantastic set, which comes in its very own roll-up canvas bag with eyelets for hanging up in your workshop. You will find long and short shaft chisel tools for different carving techniques, sharpening stone, file, mallet, and a very helpful informational flyer with awesome top tips to help you on your way to your first masterpiece. And last, but not least, to make this the most complete wood carving tool set you can buy, it comes with a whittling knife and a working apron. Please remember, kids should always be supervised at all times when using this product. Happy carving, everyone!
Tim here with Strongman Tools, and today I wanted to introduce you to our industrial grade Angleizer template tool. Now this is the perfect tool for creating perfect angles on brick, tiles, wood, flooring, metal, and much more. This tool is a favorite and super popular among plumbers, tilers, teachers, builders, bricklayers, carpenters, and DIY and home improvement enthusiasts. Now, unlike inferior anglizers from competitors that use plastic and stainless steel, our anglizer is made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy. That means it won't rust, it won't break, and it'll last longer. As you can see, our competitors' anglizers are very thin and bend super easy. Strongman Tools provides a thicker and more durable anglizer. Our Angleizer template tool is super easy to use and highly versatile. Simply adjust the 4 steel screws to create your custom angle, then tighten the bolts to keep them in place, then trace and you're ready to go. Your Strongman Tools Angleizer comes with laser engraved measurements in both centimeters and inches for perfect accuracy, a velvet protective pouch with a higher quality than our competitors to protect your Angleizer in the toolbox, 1 unsharpened block builder's pencil, and instructions.